Okay guys, here's a really quick security upgrade that you can do to your house in under 15 minutes. What you need to do is go out and get some construction screws. 2.5 inch, 3 inch is perfect for this because it'll actually go through the outer frame into the framing of the house, which would make this plate harder to remove. You know, if someone's kicking your door or trying to pry your door open with force, it'll hold it actually in place better. So here's how we do it. See, the screw's not very long. That's for the deadbolt. All you do is remove one while leaving the other one in place. And we're just gonna screw the new one in. You can see these screws that I am putting in are significantly longer. Do the same thing with the bottom latch plate. Look at these little screws. This one's not even in. All right, that's it. Quick, easy. You can do it in about 10 minutes.